Good morning on Thursday the 15th of June. I'll just take you over to the biohazard hood. These are spore traps which determine mould content in people's homes. Here's one of my reference cultures for Aspergillus flavus, very common indoor contaminant after water damage, and it produces potent mycotoxins. All of these spore traps represent different rooms or areas in a commercial shop which was flooded, and I'm staining them to reveal the mould spores. Spore traps are a really simple device that allows you to capture samples of outdoor and indoor air onto a sticky microscope slide, then stain it and look at it. I'll now take you over to the microscope and show you exactly what this looks like, but before I do that I'm going to show you where these samples were taken from, okay? Now, if you haven't seen city air under the microscope, you're in for a surprise. Have a look at this. Now, this is the same spore trap taken a few seconds ago in that street. All these black coloured deposits, they're diesel particulates out of cars. And now I'm pointing out the blue ones now. These are skin cells, so this is quite common and not unusual. Before I finish up today, I want to show you how I use these things called tape lifts to actually sample from surfaces that are suspected of having mould on it. Now let's look at these tape lifts under the microscope, and you can see that there's just a huge number of fungal spores and lots of alternaria. Tape lifts are very useful for visualizing the mould spores relative to the timber framing fibres. We can see that this just isn't normal. So the builder maintains that there is no mould problem, and he wants to affix the plasterboard walls and hand over the property to the owners.